Dear student, today we will discuss chemistry part 2. Chemistry part 2. Firstly I request you that you open your chemistry book part 2. In chemistry part 2, the first chapter and unit 10. Chapter first and unit 10 is haloalkanes and haloarenes. The representation of haloalkanes by Rx is known as haloalkanes. Dear student, here R is alkyl group and X is halide, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. Okay student? And here haloarenes represented by PHX, where PH is phenyl, that is benzene ring, and here halides. It's known as haloarenes. When halogen connected with alkyl group, when are hydrocarbons of open chain, then we say haloalkanes. When halogen joined with benzene ring or aromatic ring, we say that haloarenes. Okay student? Dear student, now classified haloalkanes and haloarenes. Dear student, firstly we are classified on the basis of number of halogens atom. Dear student, here haloalkanes are given. In haloalkanes, one halogens are attached, and in this two halogens are attached, whereas in this compound three halogens are attached. So the compound which contains only one halogen atom is known as mono haloalkane, and compound which contains an haloalkane which contains two halogens is known as dihaloalkane, and haloalkane which contains three halogens is known as trihaloalkane. Okay student? Similarly, when benzene ring or aromatic ring contains single halogen, it known as mono haloarenes, and when contain two halogen, then dihaloarenes. When contains three halogen, then trihaloarenes. Okay student? For one halogen with benzene ring, have monohaloarenes. For two halogens with benzene ring, dihaloarenes. For three halogens with benzene ring, trihaloarenes. Okay student? Now discuss next classification on the basis of compound containing sp3 hybridization with CX bond. Here you observe 1, 2, 3 sigma bond present around the carbon. It means carbon have sp3 hybridization. The carbon which attached with the halogen have the sp3 hybridization. The carbon which have sp3 hybridizations contain single alkyl group, single carbon chain. So it known as primary haloalkane, that is 1 degree haloalkanes. Next point. Dear student, here carbons which joined with halogen, that is joined with halogens, contain two alkyl group and have sp1 to 3 sp3 hybridization. Okay, sp3 hybrid carbons contain two alkyl group, then it known as secondary, that is 2 degree haloalkanes. Okay student? Dear student, here CX bonded carbons have 1, 2, 3, 4 sigma bond. It means it have sp3 hybridizations, and this carbons also contain 1, 2, 3 alkyl group, that is 3 hydrocarbon chain. It means it known as tertiary haloalkanes or 3-degree haloalkanes. It known as tertiary haloalkanes or 3-degree haloalkanes. Okay, student. Dear student, in sp3 hybrid CX bond carbons, another example is allylic halide. Dear student, we say allylic halide when sp3 carbon, here 1, 2 and 2 bond have hydrogen, 4 single bond, that means this carbon is sp3 carbons. The sp3 carbons which attach with halogens and its neighbor carbons joined with multiple bond, double bond. Dear student, if sp3 hybrid carbons join with multiple bond or double bonded carbons, then it known as allylic halides. Okay, and in this example, here multiple bonds are present and at this carbon halogens are attached. Dear student, this carbon is sp3 hybrid carbons and this hybrid carbons are directly attached with the double bonded carbons. So it is also known as allylic halide. Now discuss benzylic halide. Dear student, benzylic halides also contain sp3 carbons which are bonded with halogen. Here sp3 carbon and here also carbons is sp3 carbon, but this carbon directly attached with benzene ring. When sp3 carbon directly attached with benzene ring, then it is known as benzylic halides. It is known as benzylic halides. So both examples are the example of benzylic halide because they are sp3 hybrid carbons directly attached with benzene ring, so it known as benzylic halide. Dear student, third point is compound containing sp2 hybridizations CH bonded carbon is known as vinylic halide and aryl halides. Dear student, sp3 carbons is known as alkyl halide, allylic halide and benzylic halide, whereas sp2 hybrid carbon known as vinylic halide and aryl halides. Dear student, vinylic halide is the carbon which directly joined with double bond, which contain double bond. Here halogen directly attached with a double bonded carbon. Here halogen directly attached with a double bonded carbon. So this is known as vinylic halide. Vinylic halide, halide in which halogen directly is attached with double bonded carbon is known as vinylic halide. Dear student, here aryl halides. Aryl halide is a compound in which halogen directly attached with aromatic ring, that is benzene ring. Here halogen directly attached with a benzene ring. So we say that aryl halide, and also here a benzene ring directly attached with halogen means halogen directly joined with benzene ring. So it is also known as aryl halide. Dear student, in this lecture, in this video, we discussed classification only, but in next lectures we discuss nomenclatures and properties of the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Take a screenshot and write down in your notebook. Thank you very much.